Devastating flooding in Thailand August 2024. Dr. Sunthai Kochawat, an expert in environment and health, warned in a Facebook post today that the severe flooding experienced in Bangkok and several central provinces in 2011 could reoccur this year if four key factors align. The first factor is the substantial volume of water flowing from the northern region into the Chao Phraya River. This influx forces irrigation officials at the Chao Phraya Reservoir in Chainat to release nearly 3,000 cubic meters of water per second, leading to flooding in downstream areas like Sing Buri, Thong, and Ayutthaya. If the water flow at the Bang Sai pumping station exceeds 2,500 cubic meters per second, it could cause the Chao Phraya River's water level to rise by 1 meter in areas from Pathum Thani through Nonthaburi to Bangkok. Typically, Thailand experiences at least one tropical storm or depression between September and October. Continuous heavy rainfall, referred to as a rain bomb, increases the likelihood of flooding. The third factor involves exceptionally high tides in October. If the swollen Chao Phraya River cannot drain properly into the Gulf of Thailand through its estuary and canal network, the duration of flooding could be extended. The final factor is effective water management before the arrival of northern water masses. This includes preparing by dredging canals, strengthening embankments, and properly managing discharges through the Chao Phraya Dam in Chainat. Caretaker Prime Minister's Office Minister Jakapong Sangmani stated that initial assessments suggest this year's water volume will not match the levels of 2011. However, the Meteorological Department will be asked to provide updates for more accurate forecasts of water volumes and rainfall. The Department of Public Disaster Prevention and Mitigation is collaborating with 10 central provinces, from Ayutthaya to Bangkok, to closely monitor the water situation in the Chao Phraya River, particularly in low-lying areas that lack flood defenses. With an anticipated increase in water flow into the upper Chao Phraya River, estimated at about 1,200 cubic meters per second, the Royal Irrigation Department has decided to release 700 to 900 cubic meters per second through the Chao Phraya Dam in Chainat. This action will likely cause the river's water level downstream in Thong and Ayutthaya to rise by 40 to 80 centimeters. As of now, riverside communities have not been impacted, according to the department. Monsoon rains have caused flash floods and mudslides across Thailand, resulting in 22 deaths and 19 injuries, with around 30,000 households affected, authorities reported on Monday. 13 people, including a Russian couple and 9 migrant workers from Myanmar, were killed in a mudslide on Phuket Island after heavy rains affected a dozen provinces last week. Prime Minister Pathum Thani distributed food supplies to residents in the northern province of Nan over the weekend. Rescue operations are ongoing to free 3 workers trapped in debris following a tunnel collapse at a Thai-China railway construction site in Nakhon Ratchasima province, according to the Transport Ministry. Severe flooding continues in 5 northern provinces, including Chiang Rai, Sukhothai, and Phrae. While there is a high risk of rising water levels in areas near the Chao Phraya River, including Bangkok, the situation remains under control for now. Weather forecast for Thailand. The monsoon trough is currently positioned over the north, northeast, and upper northeast of Thailand, while a strengthening southwest monsoon is affecting the Andaman Sea, Thailand, and the Gulf. Additionally, a low-pressure system over Upper Laos is expected to move across the upper north of Thailand and Myanmar. This situation is likely to bring more rain, with isolated heavy showers across the country. Very heavy rainfall is possible in the upper north, upper northeast, east, and the south, west coast. People in these areas should be prepared for heavy to very heavy rain and potential accumulation, which could lead to flash floods and overflows, especially in foothill areas near waterways and low-lying regions. Winds and waves in the upper Andaman Sea are expected to reach 2 to 3 meters, potentially exceeding 3 meters during thunderstorms. In the upper Gulf, waves may reach about 2 meters, while in the lower Andaman Sea, they will be 1 to 2 meters high, with waves above 2 meters in thunderstorms. All vessels should exercise caution and avoid thunderstorms, while small boats in the upper Andaman Sea should remain ashore. 7-day weather forecast. Outlook for August 26 to September 1, 2024. From August 26 to September 1, the monsoon trough will shift to cover the north, northeast, and upper central regions. The southwest monsoon over the Andaman Sea, Thailand, and the Gulf will also strengthen. Between August the 26th and 28th, the low-pressure area over Upper Laos will move across the upper north of Thailand and Myanmar, bringing widespread rain and isolated heavy showers. Very heavy rain is expected in some areas of the upper north, upper northeast, western central region, east, and the south or west coast. From August 27th to 30th, the strengthening winds and waves in the upper Andaman Sea are expected to be 2 to 3 meters high, potentially exceeding 3 meters during thunderstorms. In the upper Gulf, waves could reach around 2 meters, while in the lower Andaman Sea, they will be 1 to 2 meters high, with waves above 2 meters in thunderstorms. On August 31st and September 1st, winds and waves in the upper Andaman Sea are likely to reduce to 1 to 2 meters, with waves still above 2 meters in thunderstorms. Caution! Residents in Thailand, particularly in the north, northeast, western central, east, and south west coast, should be alert for heavy to very heavy rain, which may cause flash floods and overflowing rivers, especially in foothill areas near waterways and low-lying regions. All ships in the Andaman Sea and the Gulf should proceed with caution and avoid thunderstorms. Small boats in the upper Andaman Sea should remain ashore between August the 27th and 30th.